Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making these reversible drink coasters. These round coasters go together pretty darn fast, so you can quickly sew up several sets for all the holidays and seasons.
Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs.
That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a front fabric, a back fabric, cotton batting, an optional walking foot, and the printable template. First, place one piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the other piece of fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Center the batting on top. If you'd like a thicker coaster, you can use 2 layers of batting. Arrange the templates on the batting and pin them in place. And cut out all 4 coasters. I like to rough cut around the templates first to make the individual cutting more manageable. Stitch around the coaster using a 1/4-inch seam allowance, leaving a space open for turning. Repeat for all the coasters. Trim away the excess batting and fabrics around the entire piece very close to the stitching line, except at the opening. At the opening, trim only the batting away, not the fabric. Do that same thing for all your coasters. Turn the coasters right side out and press them. Fold the opening under and press it to form a crease. Top stitch around the entire coaster about 1/8 of an inch from the edge, making sure to catch the section left open for turning. And repeat for all the coasters. And just like that, just that fast, you have a set of round reversible coasters, perfect for any occasion.
If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.